Hey, it's your girl Amore back at you with another one, another fast tutorial. Like y'all know we got ADHD, so I'm doing them fast as I can for y'all. This is gonna be a traditional quick weave with a leave out. She getting the side part, and I'm just blow drying it. Regular routine, and then I'm parting her hair out, sectioning it out so I can know what part I'm gonna leave out, making sure it's gonna be enough to cover the tracks. She just wants just enough left out to cover her tracks. Now I'm braiding her leave out down just so it won't get caught up into the hair that we're gonna quick weave. After that, I'm doing her actual braid down for the quick weave. So just braiding to the side of her hair, the angle, and on the other side I'm going to do the same thing, braid going to the side the other way. And then after that, we're going to mold her hair down after we braid it. And then we're going to put the cap on and mold the cap on top of her hair as well. Okay, now I have her hair molded. Now I'm about to mold the cap to her hair for more security. You're gonna start off with your first tracks. I like to put glue on the whole weft, or not the whole weft, most of the weft. And I like to just keep going and cutting as I go. And every 2 to 3 tracks, I spray the holding spray just to seal everything in. And I use the blow dryer after that. The putting the glue on the weft works faster for me. I just like this method better. So y'all might think, oh, why she not stopping to put the glue on each track? No, that takes forever. This is way better method. So try this one out, y'all. So you just put the glue on most of the weft, and then you keep putting the weft on and cutting it at the edge. Keep putting the weft on, cutting it at the edge. Now I'm already to the top on that side, as y'all can see. When I get to the top, I like to put the weft right on the person's part. Not right beneath the part, but right on top of their part. And here we're just finishing putting those last little pieces at the top. This right here, this part gives you more height for your quick weave. The more tracks you put closer together right here, it gives you more height if you want like a lifted bang. As you can see, we're putting that last weft on, and now we're gonna blow dry it to seal everything in. Now y'all know the routine. Go in with that silkening mist over the hair, and then you're gonna blow dry the hair out. Here I'm giving her some layers because she wanted some layers for a more sexy look, so that's what we're going for. And then I'm just going over her leave out with the hot comb before I begin to press it out. Now I'm about to press that baby out. Y'all know I put that silkening mist on there before I pressed it out. Still pressing it. Make sure you put your Remy wax stick on there too. It helps a lot. It helps your hair blend more as well, the Remy wax stick. Now that we are done blending her hair, we're going in with the curls. Curls for the girls, y'all know. Curls away from the face. Everybody, they know those are the sexiest curls. So those are the curls that we're doing today. And y'all, look at here. These are her final results. Check out them layers, y'all. Yes. I hope y'all like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all next time. Have a baby by me, baby, be a millionaire. Have a baby.